Hi, in this video, we're going to be talking about div elements in HTML. Now, this is going to be a beginner video, okay? I'm not going to be talking about the theory of div elements, and I'm not going to get very technical. I'm going to try to keep it simple here for beginners in HTML. Welcome to our channel. This is the Wannabe Digital Marketer, and what that means is that all digital marketers are just wannabes, and we all want to get to the next level, so we have to help each other. Before I get into the meaning of div in HTML, first drop a comment on this video to let us know what kind of website you're building or what kind of project you're working on and any other kind of challenges you're having. All right, great. Now let's jump into it. Div elements in HTML. What is it? So basically, a div is just an element in HTML. HTML languages is made up of different elements that go onto a page. So some other elements might be a heading, an image, an anchor text, a span. There are many different elements that make up a page in HTML. So what a div is actually just a section of your page. Now there's also called a section element. I don't want to confuse it with that, but a div actually lets you control the columns and the rows that are going on your website. Especially if you're using a CSS grid template, then you can actually use divs to make rows and columns that are going to span across the entire website, and that work really good for mobile responsive websites. So in a div, you can create a div by simply doing less than div greater than, and don't forget you always have to close that after your div is over. So each section should be its own div, and within that first div element you can either add a class, an ID, or a style. There's a few other attributes you can use, but mainly style and class are the most beneficial. So once you add your class to it, you can go into your CSS file and you can call that class and design that div to do different things. Divs are mostly used as a container element. Basically, what you would do if you want to make a section of copy with a headline, you would start out with a div. You would put a div here, and then within the div, you would start with your heading, and then your paragraph, and then your image can go in there as well, and then you close your div at the end. All right, and then if you want to do a new column or row, you're going to start another div. This makes it really neat to help section off your copy and your content, and then you can style them according to each, according to whatever kind of layout you want to create. Like I said, this video is for beginners. It's for people that aren't really sure what a div element is. So I hope this was helpful and helped you understand what that is. If you had any questions, you can drop them in the comment below, or if you thought this was valuable, please like this video. Thanks for watching, and before you go, if you scroll down, there is a link to a private Facebook group, the Wannabe Digital Marketer. It's filled with pros and experts within marketing, paid digital, social media, and even web development. So if you have any HTML questions, we'd be able to help you in there. All right, so please click that link, answer a few questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the community. Thanks. Bye-bye.